In this video, we'll be talking about the three levels of product. Okay. Now, suppose that you go out in the market and you buy an air conditioner. Now, you just went there and you did a lot of research and you bought a product. Okay. You bought an air conditioner for yourselves. But without actually perceiving it and without realizing it, you actually bought a product by considering its value and utility on three counts. First is the utility of the product, then actual product, and then augmented product. Marketers are very smart guys. Okay, they know that if a customer is going to pay for a product, then they will be looking after more than just the core benefit of the product. For example, the core customer value of air conditioner is derived from the fact that it cools your room. Okay, it maintains temperature. Now that is the basically main reason why you are going to purchase a product. But marketers know that almost every brand of air conditioner will provide this feature. Okay, air conditioner will satisfy the core customer need, that is, it will cool the room. Around that core customer value, marketers actually build actual product, which constitutes, as you can see, the second circle. It constitutes brand name, quality level, packaging, design, and features. For example, talking about features, an air conditioner might have like auto room control feature. Okay, whereas another might not have this feature. So you see, in addition to the core value, need satisfying function, this actual product has another, like another actual layer of customer utility, and that is it has added feature. Similarly, designs. If an air conditioner, you like the design of an air conditioner, and you would buy that certainly. Then packaging would matter, and quality level. There are many categories of air conditioners available in the market. And secondly, you will also go about different brands. If you are brand conscious and you know that this particular market, this particular company has very good ACs, then you will go for that. Now the third layer of product which the marketers design in order to capture the market and in order to make sure that the customer buys your product is augmented product. Now that includes after sales service. For example, the company will offer you that they will come to your home and they will install the AC. Then they will give you a warranty, let's suppose 5-year repair warranty, or like 6 months, 6 months product back warranty. They will take your product and give you a new one. Similarly, product support service. If your product has any defects, then they will come and make away with those defects. And then delivery and credit. Company will say that we will deliver the product at your home free of cost. And of course, if you don't have money on you to pay for it, then we will offer you payment on credit terms or an installment basis. So you see, marketers are very intelligent guys. They basically, whenever they are designing a product, they actually analyze it at three levels. Number one is core customer value, which is essentially the main purpose of the product. What is the need which the product, which need of the customer with the product will satisfy. Then around that core customer value, there is the actual product, and around that there is an augmented product. So whenever marketers basically design a product, they analyze a product at three levels. Of course, you are also looking for all these three aspects whenever choosing between different brands, but you don't perceive it. But marketers perceive it and they make a product in this way. So I hope this video clarified your concepts about the different layers of products, and we'll be uploading more videos on marketing later on. So do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.